Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, your trusted guide to mastering math the easy way. In this channel, we break down complex maths concepts into simple steps, perfect for students, exam preparation, and curious minds around the world. Today's topic is one of the most powerful tools in mathematics, that is trigonometry. First of all, I will describe what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is the study of a relationship between the angles and the sides of triangle. Sides of triangle. And triangle must be specially, you will say, most important triangle, that will be the right angle triangle. So mostly in trigonometry we will discuss right angled triangle. And the significance of trigonometry is it is used in different maths, used in the physics, astronomy, and many other fields. So don't worry, by the end of the video you will feel confident about trigonometric functions. I will describe each and everything step by step. So first of all, I will tell you what is a right angle triangle. So for this purpose, you will consider a triangle in which the one line is straight. This is called the right angle triangle, in which one angle is 90 degree. This angle triangle is called right angle triangle, and this is an angle theta. So this side is called base, and this side is called perpendicular, and this side is called hypotenuse. So now I will define the three main trigonometric ratios that are used in this. So for this purpose, first of all, you have to remember an easy trick, that is SOH, CAH and TOA. You have to remember this trick to describe the trigonometric ratios. So according to this, we will define first of all sine theta. According to this angle theta, sine theta, S defines sine, and perpendicular is also called opposite, and the base is also called adjacent. So we will write the formula of sine theta, that is equal to O by H. O and H, its mean opposite by hypotenuse. So this is for sine theta. Now the next one, C describe cos theta. So cos theta always equal A by H. A is adjacent and H is hypotenuse. And the third one is tangent, that is called tan theta, and tan theta equals O by A, means opposite by adjacent. So these are the basics trigonometric rules, opposite by adjacent. So these are the first three trigonometric rules you have to remember, because these are used in the further studies. Now I will describe trigonometric functions using a unit circle. We will consider a unit circle and describe trigonometric functions. So first of all, we will draw a unit circle. Unit circle means a circle of radius 1. This is a circle whose radius is 1. Distance from the center to the end, this is called radius, and radius is equals 1. So any point in the circle has coordinates x and y. So the x coordinates are described by the cos theta, and the y coordinates are described by the sine theta. And the third important, that will be the tan theta. We will say tan theta equals sine theta by cos theta. Condition is that radius should be 1. So this way trigonometry works not just in triangles but all angles, even more than 90 degree, because in the circle whole angle equals to the 360 degree. Now we will discuss some properties of sine function, cos function and tan function. So one of the important fact of the trigonometric functions, they are periodic function. So periodic function means they repeat every 360 degree or 2 pi. So we will say that sine theta and cos theta repeat every 360 degree, or in form of radian we will say or 2 pi. And the tan theta repeats every 180 degree. So because of this repeating property of sine, cos and tan, we will say these are the periodic function. Now some key values you have to remember for these trigonometric functions, that are sine 0 degree equals 0, sine 90 degree equals 1, and the cos 0 degree is 1, and cos 90 degree equals 0, and the tan 45 degree equals 1. Now I will describe some identities you have to remember. So some identities that are used are, first of all, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. 1 plus tan square theta equals secant square theta, and the 1 plus cot square theta equals cosecant square theta. So Here is a question that what is secant theta, what is cos, what is cosecant theta. So here I will tell you about some reciprocals. You have to remember that sin theta equals 1 over cosecant theta and the cos theta equals 1 over secant theta. So here is a trick. You have to remember that sine start from S. So reciprocal of sine is start from C. And cos is started from C. So reciprocal of cos will be started from S. And tan theta equals 1 over cot theta. So these are the reciprocals. For this, consider an example. If sin theta equals 5, so opposite of this, that is cosecant, equals 1 over 5. So these are the reciprocals. Now I will tell you what is the domain and range. So domain is basically all allowed input. All values that we allow are called input, and range is all possible outcome values. So sin theta and cos theta have, now I tell you what is the domain of sin theta and cos theta and what is the range. So first of all, for sin and cos theta, for sin theta and cos theta, you have to remember that domain will be all real numbers. All real numbers, and the range varies from -1 to 1. And condition for tan theta, all real numbers except theta equals 90 degree, because tan 90 degree will be undefined, or 270 degree, because at this value we will not get the value of tan. And range will be, range for this is all real numbers. This is for domain and this is for range. So trigonometry help us understood waves, circular motion, sounds and much more. We started from triangles and expanded to the unit circle. Now you are ready for more. In the next video, we will go deeper talking about trigonometric graphs, transformation and inverse functions. So don't miss it. If this video helps, please give it a like and subscribe to Math Solver 1117 and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next class. Let me know in the comments which part was the clearest and which topic you want next. Keep learning, keep growing only on Math Solver 1117.